Thiku imwe thutha wa gukinywo igoti-ini agithitangirwo hiurania wa mbeca cia igithia SACCO-ini ya EKEZA kwaya maundu mathio na mbere kurituhira muhunjia na mwambiriria wa EKEZA David Gakuyo. Muthenya wa ira afitha wa DCI Bernard Gikandi kugerera mwena wa THITANGO arendekithirie Gakuyo ahingirwo thiku 4 akirikana ena uhoti wa guthoga wira ona kuhingisha aira undu uria utungitie uregani ni mawakiri ake 10 magitongorio ni wakiri Danstan Omari na Ndegwa Njiro.
The submissions before this court and the material placed before this court, it's the court's considered opinion that the application by the prosecution partly succeeds on public interest.
Nona thutha wa guikia ihoya mwikwiru arekio na bodi mucirithania Joyfrey Onsarigo ni areganite na ihoya riri na riu Gakuyo eguthie na mbere guikara thero ya muthaiga nginyagia Jumatatu.
That the respondent will be held at MWENA police station for 1 day, and that is today. Since I've taken into consideration he was arrested on 21st. 2, that since the investigating officer indicated that the investigations were at an advanced stage, the respondent be availed on 26th of February 2024 for plea before be availed on 26th of February 2024 before the plea taking court.
Gakuyo aikirio ngono muthenya wayo kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA akierekera Zambia. Borithi makiuga makoretwo magithuthuria uria athamirie bilioni 1.3 cia EKEZA SACCO nginyagia akaunti yake. Ni ndeto yamukiritwo ni thirikari. Minister wa Thutha na biashara nini Simon Cherugui akiuria igithia ria matari macokirio mbeca ciao magie na wetereri amu thirikari ni iyukite imwe cia indo cia SACCO eno.
EKEZA SACCO is under liquidation by orders of the commissioner, and we have been able to recover. The founders of that SACCO cooperated with the government, surrendered the land, although we have not paid off over 300 million still owed to some members. But we have reduced from 2.5 billion by attaching their land, disposing their assets and paying off the members. So we are the last, we are turning the last corner.
Gukiri ogwo Cherugui ni arutire mukana SACCO ingi iria arauga ciena macira mao hiurania undu ria ugite ni uguthira kaimana wona mendekithia makora mata SACCO maria matigarire mahitukio kuringana na watho wa mwaka muthiru uria wirigeirwo kuhuthirwo SACCO-ini ciothe iria ciena marua 359.
I want to use this opportunity to warn any other SACCO and management and also leadership that we will not be aloof and remain indifferent to those characters. And we, as you watch this space, will be making those actions, making those moves to ensure we correct our historical mess.
Cherugui ekwaragia mucemano-ini wa o mwaka wa SACCO ya borithi guku Nairobi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.